Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change TikTok region without VPN using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are two ways to do this, okay? So now just go ahead and open your TikTok and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Now, click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Now you want to scroll down until you see the Language section. And by the way, this is the first way to do this. Okay, and now here at the Up Language, you can just go ahead and choose the region that you want. Okay, what is the language of that region? So for example, Cebuano, just go ahead and choose that. Filipino, Italiano, so whatever language the region or your region is speaking, just go ahead and click on that. So I'm just gonna click on Filipino and click on Done. And now I'm just gonna switch it back to English so that you can understand me, but that is the point of the step, okay? So now here at the preferred languages, just go ahead and do the same, okay? So just go ahead again and choose the language that your region is using, okay? So once you've done that, for example, it doesn't work for you, the second step is the last option you have, okay? So go back to Settings and Privacy. Now you want to click on Report a Problem. Okay, so let's just wait for it. And now you can see the paper symbol or icon at the upper right corner of your screen. So you just want to click on that, or you can choose Account and Profile. Okay, so here you can just go ahead and choose Manage Account or Editing. So here, Editing Profile, you want to click on Other. Okay, so now once you've clicked on Other, you want to click on Need More Help. So now you can just go ahead and type your problem right here. Okay, so for example, just want to type, I want to change my region or location from, just type the location your TikTok is at right now. So for example, from Philippines to Cebuano, like that. So just go ahead and type that and click on submit, okay? And that should help you with your problem on how to change TikTok region without VPN. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.